In this video, I will show you how to auto-assign tickets to agents in Zoho Desk. First, log into your Zoho Desk account. Now on the top right corner, click on the Settings button. Once you're in your settings board, scroll down until you find the Automation section. Then click on Assignment Rules. In this section, you will see any existing assignment rules you might have. To create a new one, go to the top right part of the screen and click New Direct Assignment. A setup window will appear. Here, start by typing in a rule name. This helps you identify what the rule is for. Next, click on Add Target to specify where or how the rule will be applied. In the pop-up that appears, you will see the Assign Ticket To option. Click the drop-down and select the agent or team that you want the tickets to be automatically assigned to. Once you're done setting the conditions, click Save. You will now see your new rule listed under the Assignment Rules section, and any future tickets that match your criteria will be automatically assigned to the chosen agent or team. And that's how to auto-assign tickets to agents in Zoho Desk.